I'm re-siding my house with Hardie Plank, and I'm painting the planks before I put them up. I need somewhere to store them, so I made a drying rack. This is the drying rack. Here's how I made it. I used a 12-foot long pallet that was delivered with the Hardie Plank. That's about 3.5 feet wide. I put that on the bottom and leveled it up. I'm using 2x4s and 2x3s cut to 4 feet to run the width of the drying rack, and then cut some blocks of wood. The 2x4s and 2x3s rest on those blocks of wood. You want to make sure the blocks of wood that go on either end of the 2x4 or 2x3 are the same height so that it keeps your Hardie Plank level, or your siding. We place 5 pieces of 2x4 or 2x3 along the drying rack. With the 2x4s and 2x3s cut to 4 feet, that allows us to place 5 pieces of Hardie Plank on each row of the drying rack. You can use this setup for lap siding and vertical siding. If you use it for vertical siding, you'll need to cut the 2x3s or 2x4s to 4.5 feet so that you can accommodate the width of the vertical siding. After I paint the siding and it dries, I move it over to the rack and cover the siding with sheets so it keeps it clean. That's how I made a drying rack to store my pre-painted siding. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.